What is up, you guys? Pete Carlo here, and today we're going to talk about PayPal. PayPal has really taken a significant move down, basically since the middle of the summer, in July. On the 26th, we were trading up at all-time highs around $310, and since then, this thing is down a whopping 40%, down to $184. A lot of people have been asking me about this stock. A lot of people within our private mentorship group and within our premium membership on our Discord have been asking me to kind of go over this and ask, like, would I be taking a position in this? How specifically would I be trading this? Or even would I be investing in PayPal at this price? So that's what we're going to go over today, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. As always, hit the notification button because all these videos are time sensitive. And also, thank you for all the support. This channel is at nearly 9,000 subscribers. Our other main channel, Traders Helping Traders, is at almost 30,000 subscribers, and this has been an amazing journey with you guys. Go check out the Discord. It's completely free. We have over 3,200 members. You guys get access to free courses, free seminars, as well as free live streams, and most of all, our unusual options activity and dark pool bot, which is completely free. It's a $200 a month product that we will pay for to give it to you guys completely for free. Go ahead and check it out in the description below. Now let's take a look at PayPal. Obviously, PayPal had this major fade. We pulled back down to this 50% Fibonacci, which we ended up breaking, held this 618 Fibonacci, or the 61% Fib line, which is the strongest Fibonacci support we have. And you can see we had that massive gap down on earnings, a bit of a pullback, or a bit of a pushback up, and then a continued drop. One of the first things that I want to say is this right here is why I personally never buy a dip on earnings unless it's a like reactionary, like unless an overreaction, like let's say that for instance, I forget when it was, I think it was like two quarters ago, we had Pinterest drop significantly and I bought the dip there because I felt that it was just an insane overreaction. But for this, I didn't think that this was an overreaction. We had this drop. Many people tried to catch this down around the 205s, 206, 207s, and then we continued to sell off pretty aggressively. But one thing to notice right here is that we now start to have a bullish divergence. So we're making lower lows, but the RSI is actually making higher lows, which is a very good sign, showing that there is finally a bottom in place. You can see that the RSI is pointing up. The MACD is starting to trend back down, but is holding this range right now. But one thing I don't like is how low the volume is getting and that we're not getting back up within this range. It is trading at about average volume pre this significant drop, but still, looking at PayPal, a lot of people were asking me around 210, 211, 212, and I said I would personally wait for $172, $173. Now, it does look like we have found a bottom here. It does look like we are going to try a bounce. If you want the best possible entry on PayPal, wait for $172. If it hits 172, then great. You can enter your position. If it doesn't hit 172, which there is a chance it might bounce a little bit early, then you won't get to enter your position. So if you really want to be a stickler, you really want the best possible price, I would say wait for $172 to $173. If you want to get in now, like for instance, if we look back here on the 3rd of 2020 on November, you can see we actually bounced at 176, which was a little early. So if you want to enter now, what I would do is recommend taking half of your position here at 188 and then buying in with the rest of your position down at 172. So this way you have a pretty decent average of about 177. But I do think that we're probably going to bounce within this range from here to 170. And I do think within the next 6 to 12 months, we will easily be trading back up at 258 to maybe $300. So I don't see Palantir. You guys can tell that I'm making Palantir videos on the other channel, but I don't think we're going to see PayPal drop down to $130. We do have this gap to fill, and yes, there is the quote, all gaps need to be filled, and they normally do, but there are times with big blue chip companies like PayPal that we just never fill a gap that's so far below. Like if we look at something like a NEO, which is not a blue chip company, I don't think we'll ever fill that gap down to $8. I really don't. So overall, I like PayPal. I think that your best bet is probably wait for that $170 price point, but if you do want to get in, you can hop in now. It is looking good. Overall, guys, let me know if there's any other tickers you want me to go over. I love to curate these videos specifically to you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, check out the Discord, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.